This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, yesterday the class was disconnected in middle. We're discussing the topic like what the topic is annotation topic, right? Exactly. The annotations I said not to write the application, not to develop the application, just giving information to the compiler, right? Exactly. The annotations are not to develop the application, just giving information to the compiler. And the package contains total 6 elements: case, classes, interfaces, exception, errors, enums, and annotation, right? Enums and what annotation, right? Exactly. Annotations are not to develop the application, just to give the information to the compiler. Annotations are giving some metadata information to the compiler. The annotations are start with symbol like yesterday clearly said. General purpose annotation case, general purpose annotations belongs to java.lang package. These are called meta annotation. Meta annotation belongs to java.lang annotation package, right? Exactly. Here the two things are important is target is important and retention is important. Target means what? That annotation is applied at what level? So that annotation is applied at method level or constructor level, field level, local variable level, package parameter. Target contains this many number of parameters. Guys. Target contains this many number of parameters. Retention policy means indicates that how long the annotation will be retained. And how long the annotation the annotated type is to be retained, right? How much time it will be available, right? The annotation. So total retentions are three ways are there: uh, source level, up to class file level. Source code level gets discarded by the compiler itself. Annotations are used to discard. Annotations are to be discarded by the compiler. If it is a source level means what that annotations will be discarded by compiler itself, right? Second is what dart class file level guys. Third one is what runtime level, right? Like that. So up to source file level, up to class file level, dart class file level, up to runtime will carry the annotation, right? Exactly. First one is actually discussed like at the rate override annotation guys. Override annotation just representing that method is called which method guys? Override method, right? If you remove this annotation, then what happens guys? This if you are doing any mistake, then this method is treated as a new method, right? If this method is treated as a new method, guys. If you make the annotation means if you are doing any mistake, it's giving information, right? Exactly. Next one is suppress warning annotation, guys. Suppress warning means what yesterday done like deprecated warning, right? I ignore the deprecated warning message, right? Exactly. In the same way here, if you go for the array list class, in the collections we have the array list class is there. Array list class I'm adding from 10 object is there and 10 is there, right? Exactly. Because array list is by default not a type safe one. Why it is not type safe that I will tell you as part of corrections topic. But remember, like I declared array list is like inserting two elements. The array list are type safe or not type safe actually. If it is not a type safe means there is no problem at all. But it is giving small error message, warning messages, guys. Yes, it is giving what warning messages, right? Exactly. See warnings, guys. Here, Java C test data Java. Yesterday we got the warnings like deprecation warning, right? Yes, yesterday where we saved this code man local disk G. By default, when I save the code, you go for local disk G. So local disk G, you can compile the code. You see that error message once it's saying error like test.java uses are unchecked and unsafe operation. Recompile Excel and something like using unchecked operation, like unsafe operation. Because it's by default not type safe, guys. That's what I'm doing, like using like unsafe operation, like exactly. To ignore this warning, guys. To ignore the warning, can I use like at the rate suppress warnings unchecked? This message is copied from this warning only itself. Here unchecked is there, right? That message is copied from here, guys. Unchecked. This is very clear now. At the rate suppress warning, then you can compile this code with ignoring the warning message, right? Because it is ignoring like what warning messages, right? Exactly, guys. Because the statement is clear now. Good. So Java 8 API documentation. Yeah. Java 8 API documentation. The annotations are belongs to which package is java.lang package. Just click on this java.lang package. Can you please move to the annotation part at last. The suppress warnings we're discussing this annotation. Just you can see. Yeah. Suppress warning. What is the target case here? Type, which is nothing but a class or interface. So if you know what is the type and field dissolved, just click on this type guys simply. If you click on the type, directly you get the type information. Type means what is it's saying like simply class or interface, right? Because if you don't know information about any element like type, then you can simply click on that. You'll get the class or interface, right? Exactly. Guys, type means a class or interface, field, method, parameter, constructor, local variable. There's suppress warning annotation, right? Exactly, guys. Good. Because we did the two annotations. One is a override annotation and a suppress warning annotation, right? Exactly. Because next one is like deprecated annotation, guys. If you go for the deprecated annotation, yeah, deprecate annotation, guys. Check this retention policy, guys. Retention policy is runtime. It means what? It is applicable up to Java virtual machine, guys. Even it is not described by the source file, it is not described by the dart class file. It is applicable to up to the runtime actually, up to runtime, right? So retention is like how long the annotation is available, right? So deprecated means up to runtime, guys. Up to runtime the data is available, right? Exactly. So it says that the program element annotated is deprecated. One that programmers are discouraged from using, right? Exactly. Yes, deprecated means the data which is available but which is not useful, guys. Okay, typically because it is a dangerous, and because a better alternative exists, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, in Java the one issue is like Java, the things which are not useful, they won't remove the data, guys. Instead of removing the data, they are making the data deprecated. Because in Java, the things are which are not useful, they will won't remove the data. Instead of removing, what they will do, they say like deprecated message, guys. This you got the clarity now. Yeah, that's what deprecate means. What the typically the because it is a dangerous or it because of a better alternative exists, right? Better alternative exists, right? Exactly. See, guys, for example, you can take the class. We can take the
Sir, in
written
this
class here.
example, I did not understand why the suppressed warning annotation is being taken into as unchecked.
Unchecked.
There, huh,
We have
previous
to ignore the
example.
warnings. Yesterday class we done like deprecated message, right? To ignore the warning messages, we have to give like what type of warnings we have to ignore, right?
In the above example, in array list, you have given it as unchecked. I did not understand.
Uh, See, unchecked means because collections are not checked actually. So unchecked operation means maybe type conversion required that we may not understand now, but you'll understand as part of collections topic because collections are not type safe. Not type safe means it has to check the data every time. That point we'll discuss as part of collection. But anyhow, when you use the collection, you decided like we got some warnings. Just I'm ignoring that warning using suppress warning message. Just remember up to that point, okay? When I discuss that point using collections, you'll get that clarity. It's fine. A suppress warning, just ignoring warning messages. It is ignoring some warning messages like unchecked warnings. Why it is unchecked means why it is not type safer. We will discuss as part of what the collection topic. This is a coding regarding collection, right? Exactly.
Yes.
And the frame is also like a frame is outdated concept. AWT concept itself is outdated. The frame is also outdated. To outdated means what the design deprecation. To ignore the warning message, you can go for deprecation warning, right? Exactly. So next one is what suppress warning addition. Suppress warnings means what like integer, right? Integer class is this data is duplicate, right? That's what you can go for duplicate addition, right? Exactly. This next one is what you can go for the duplicate addition, guys. If you go for duplicate annotation, assume like I have a Ratan class. Ratan class contains one method like course method is there. Course method is there. Course like core Java. As a students, what you guys are doing, you are creating object of my class. Yes, the class Ratan is there. The Ratan class contains a void course method is there, right? Void course method is there. The class student is there. The student like yeah, that they're creating object of Ratan class. You're accessing a course, right? Exactly. So now the course is important. That's what you're creating object of my class. Then you're calling my method, right? Java the class is college class guys here. Java the class is college class here, student class, right? Exactly. Java the class is called student class guys. We got the output is what? Core Java is output, right? Exactly. Core Java is output, right? Yeah, but later I said like my method is deprecated, guys. My method is no useful, but in place of Core Java we have some alternative. I said like my method is not useful. If method is not useful means instead of removing the data, I will make that message like deprecated guys. Then to specify your data is deprecated, just to specify that what your data is deprecated. To specify your data is deprecated, we have this annotation at the rate what? At the rate deprecated annotation we have to give. Now which annotation here? At the rate deprecated. Previously, when we are using my method, there's nothing issue. But when I specified my method is deprecated, now when you're trying to compile, then you'll get the warning messages. Yeah, so test.java uses like what? Are over a deprecated API. It means your application trying to use the deprecated message, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Good. So in Java, instead of removing the data, they will make the data is what? Yes, they'll make the data is what? Deprecated message, right? Exactly. That's called deprecated annotation, guys. Good. Because the next
Sorry,
annotation like function.
instead of removing means
What Rani?
instead of removing means what we are trying to do and for
Instead
what
of
purpose.
removing means like see if the things which are not useful, then why are making the things in the API? They have to remove the data, right? If it is not useful means.
It
But
means
what the Java
here we don't want the course method. That's why we are trying to put that method as an deprecated.
sorry,
We don't want to use the course method. That's why we are making it as deprecated.
I'm saying that that method is like it's not useful basically. It's not useful in the sense some alternatives are there.
There's a lot of disturbance.
Guru, please mute. Yeah.
Now it is fine.
Try now. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. We don't want to use this course method. That's why we are making it as deprecated.
Exactly. Please see, as my intention, like in place of course method, we have some alternatives there. Some alternatives there. Some alternatives, better alternatives there. If some better alternatives there means what they will do, they'll give the better alternative as usual. They'll use the better alternative, but they won't remove the existing old one. Instead of removing the old one, what they are making like at the duplicate application.
No.
Yeah, that is the point. Good. Last one is what functional interface annotation is. So what is functional interface? Functional interface means what the interface contains only one abstract method, right? That's what is functional interface. The interface contains only one abstract method is called what? Functional interface, right? The interface contains only one abstract method that is called which interface means functional interface, right? Exactly. And functional interface concept is there from Java 1.8 version. See here you can see the code. So retention was of runtime target equal to target is only type. It means
That's
functional interface annotation applied only interface level, right? The remit is saying like functional interface annotation is applied at only what level? It is can be applied only at it can be applied at only interface level, right? That's what making like target is what valid type, right? Only type is exactly. Yeah, which is from which version onwards, which is from 1.8 version, right? Which is from 1.8 version, right? Exactly. Good. Because if, for example, this is a predefined support, function interface predefined support, target and all. Interface ID one, just I specified that. Yeah, I specified that. Yes. Interface ID one is there, void M1 method. Interface ID one is contains void M1 method. Tell me, interface ID one void M1 is there. Okay. After that, this is a function interface or not? It's not a function. It's a function interface definitely. If you make the two methods means it's a function interface or not means it's not a function interface, right? Exactly. It is not a function interface, guys. That's what if we compile the code, definitely code is compiled. Yeah, compiled, not a problem. That's what, guys. I want to represent this is my function interface. To represent this is a function interface, required annotation is what? Functional interface annotation, right? Guys, to represent your interface functional interface, you require the annotation like what? Functional interface annotation, right? Interface IT1, void M1 is there, void M2 is there, right? Yes, now it is a functional interface or not? Yes, now it is a functional interface or not?
Yes, as we have
Functional interface
used that.
contains only one abstract method, right? Yeah, functional interface contains only one abstract method, but here it contains one abstract method, two abstract methods, sir. Two abstract methods, right? M1, M2, right? Both are abstract methods, right? It contains two abstract methods. If it contains two abstract methods, means it's not a functional interface. Then we got the error like what it is not a functional interface, right? Exactly. Because if you remove this annotation, then what happens here? If you remove this annotation, then it is taken as a normal interface. The code is compiled. If you make the annotation like added functional interface, then this interface is what functional interface, right? Then you're giving information to compiler. Hey, compile, this is my functional interface. But it is a functional interface or not? No, right? That's what we got the issue, right? Yeah, that's what we got the issue, right? Like that. Guys, we done like four annotations. Like one is a functional interface annotation. First one is like override annotation. Yes, just to give the information to compiler. My method is what? Override method, right? My method is which method, guys? Override method, right? First one. Second is what, guys? Suppress warning to ignore the warning messages. Third one is like deprecated. Deprecate means what? To ignore the deprecate means what? To specify is that the data which is not useful, right? Yes, deprecate means what? The data which is not useful, right? That's called deprecated. Fourth one is like functional interface. To represent your interface is what? A functional interface, right? Like that. The fifth one is like
What's the use if we declare it as functional interface even if I have one abstract method? How is it exactly? How is it exactly useful if I mention it as functional interface?
just you're representing, you're giving information to compiler. This is my data, right? If you're doing anything is wrong, you'll get the error message. Without this annotation, assume like your intention is trying to do the functional interface. Your intention is trying to do the functional interface, but unfortunately you take another method, right? If you take another method means then what happens here? Then are you getting any error message or not? Do you get any error message now?
No, I will not get it.
You will not get any error message, right? Hey, organizer, please mute the guru. You can't. Yeah. If see, our intention is to take the functional interface, right? Our intention is to take the functional interface. Our intention is to if any issue is there is no issue, right? That's what just you give the information to the compiler. Hey, compiler, my is my functional interface. Once if you're giving information to the compiler, there's a functional interface. If you're doing any mistake, you'll get warning error message, right? You're giving safe side information to the compiler so that if you're doing any mistake, you'll get the error message. At the rate override also same thing, right? Just you are specifying that your method is override method. If you are doing overriding properly means there is no issue, right? If you are not doing the properly overriding, you got the error, right? And the same way, at the rate functional interface also, if it is a functional interface means everything is going good. If you are trying to do any mistake means then immediately getting error message, right? Exactly. Good.
I mean, you mean it will just cross verify it whether it is functional interface or not.
Interface or not, yeah. Even if you are doing some mistake, then compiler will cross verify that is the interface or not.
Okay.
If it is satisfied, no problem. If it is not satisfied, compiler itself giving information. Just you're giving information to compiler so that the compiler will cross verify your data is valid or invalid.
Okay.
Annotation is all about that purpose. Okay, good. Yes, you try to complete this assignment, small assignment, regarding what safe var, right? Safe var. Yes, what are the information about what safe var? We done the four annotations, right? We done the four annotations, and fifth annotation we try to complete that example. We done the deprecated functional interface, override, and what safe var. You try to complete what suppress one. Sorry, we done suppress warning also. You try to complete what safe var. Good. Guess with that your annotations part is completed. We try to check this annotation part. Srikanth, can you please stop recording?